So hello, what's up guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we're gonna create a diabetes classification using different classifiers just like SVM, random forest, decision tree and KNN. So let's start the code. So first of all I was import pandas library as a PD, and the second SKlearn as SVM, import SVM. So here I was write the data set path where is the data located. So pd dot read dot csv. So here I was copy the path of my csv file. Now I was write data dot info, and now data dot head. There are 7. And now data n is null dot value dot any from scalar dot met dot model selection import trend template. So the feature columns, I will just copy all the categories. I just paste here, and now there will be predicted classes. So the predicted class is the outcomes. So here I am write a predicted class. Now I was add x is equal to data dot feature columns values, and now y is equal to data bracket predicted class dot values. Now x train comma x test comma y train and y test is equal to train test flat x comma y, and the test size will be 30%, and the random stat will be 10. So here is print x dot shape comma x train dot shape and x test dot shape. So here now we will find the SVM support vector machine. So I'll write name SVM is equal to SVM dot svc, and the random stats will be 10. Now svm dot fit, as write x train and y train. Now svm dot score be X test and Y test. Now print SVM training accuracy. Here the accuracy print SVM dot score X train comma Y train. Now print SVM test accuracy. Print SVM dot score X test and Y test. Now we just run that. What was the error? The error in directory. There's something missing here. Again error. Let me check. The path will be okay. Oh, here I just write our data. So now there will be accuracy 79% and 70%. So now we just go to the second step. We're gonna find a random forest. Now for random forest, we have add a from SKlearn dot ensemble import random forest classifier. So here was the name FCL random forest classifier. Random forest classifier, the random start will be 10. So here random forest classifier dot fit. I just copy the whole code and change only the random forest classifier to the SVM. So now I will change all the SVM to the random forest classifier. Now let's check. There will be accuracy, training ratio will be 1. That's awesome. Now go to the third part, decision tree. So from SKlearn dot tree import decision tree classifier. So I have named D tree is equal to decision tree classifier, and the criterion will be Gini. The max depth is 4 and the random start will be 10. Now I just the whole code copy and paste here and change only the D tree to the random forest classifier, and the other will be same. So now just run. There's accuracy 83% and 77%. The training 83 is good, and the testing accuracy will be 77. Now just find KNN neighbor. So from SKlearn dot the neighbors import k neighbors classifiers. So I just name KNN is equal to k neighbors classifier, and neighbors will be 7, and the matrix is Euclidean. Now just copy the all code and paste it and only change KNN. The all code is the same. Now let's just check. So they're all 4 methods. So first there is the range index 768 0 to 768, and the data columns will be 9. There are all categories, data types, which is details of glucose, preference, insulin, BMI, age, outcomes, and the data, two data are float and the 7 will be integer. Memory usage 50%. So there's all rows, and the training will be 70% and testing will be 30%. There is the SVM accuracy 79% training and 73% testing. Random forest training accuracy will be 1 and testing accuracy 74. The decision tree accuracy training 83% and the test accuracy will be 77%, and the KNN training accuracy will be 81% and the test accuracy will be 79%. So hopefully you will be learn from that video. See you in the next part. We're gonna find diabetes classification using CNN convolution neural network. So hopefully you will be learn from that. See you in next video.